video. For today's video, we're doing an unboxing. Yay! I'm so excited about today's unboxing because it's very special. It is for Wicked Cafe. We are designing a new menu. So a new menu is coming and we ordered something special for it. So let's check it out. So for the new project, we have ordered specially made custom cake molds for it. Goodness, they wrap these up tight these days. Oh my gosh, look, they're so ready. Oh my gosh, amazing. It's like Christmas. Alrighty, so this is exactly what we ordered. For our new menu that's coming out soon, we're going to be calling it the cookie sandwich. Cookie sandwich! Okay, let's open up one of these guys. Oh my god, they are here! We specifically made a custom order for these molds. They are made with food safe grade silicone, specifically for very hot temperature and very cold temperature. They're amazing quality. I'm very happy with how they came. Wow, it looks exactly like my sketch. I'm so excited. This is a sketch I made from my imagination of how the cookie sandwich would look like, all pieced together. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this is happening. From my imagination to my picture and now to the reality. Here is the plan. We plan to use our cannoli dough to make this cookie part with our house signature cream for the center. It will be similar to a Korean style cream, so it is possible to keep at room temperature and for customers to eat at room temperature as well, so it's much more convenient and yummy. I'm so excited. In the future, we plan to do multiple flavors like raspberry and vanilla and lemon. I'm so excited, amazing. I work as the brand model for Wicked Cafe, but I also help in the kitchen and for the marketing. So I get the information the fastest. So it's super easy for me to share with everyone else. I hope you stay tuned and watch for more. Here it is. So soft and amazing. Oh gosh, big money. Oh, look at these, I'm sorry. Thank you so much for watching today's unboxing video. I'm so excited to share more about the cookie sandwich, our newest project and newest Wicked Cafe menu that's on the way. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!